What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another Christmas cocktail. And today's Christmas cocktail, my friends, is the Christmas Manhattan. And I will show you guys how to make this festive drink. So it's a Christmassy take on the classic Manhattan. So what we're doing is switching up the vermouth with the Christmas variation of it. So what I've done is infused spices with it. So this has got all the spices, so your cloves. So it's got your cloves, your cinnamon, nutmeg, everything you can think of, it is in here, as it's got all the spice. So this is a very festive drink, and I cannot wait to show you guys how to make the Christmas Manhattan. So let's build this cocktail. So we've already put in our 45 ice cubes. So the first ingredient into the tin, guys, is a 45 ml or 1.5 ounce or 1.5 ounce of bourbon. I'm using the classic Woodford Reserve. I absolutely love Woodford Reserve. You cannot beat it, in my opinion. There we go, that's the last on my Woodford Reserve. So next into the shaker, guys, is Thunderdor. So it's a brandy, but it's got very sweet caramel tasting notes with it. So 22.5 ml or 3/4 ounce of Thunderdor brandy. So what you're looking for is like a toffee or caramel brandy for this one. Because why not? Because it's Christmas. Next, 22.5 ml or 3/4 ounce of water. Next, 50 ml or half an ounce of Christmas infused vermouth. So if you want to infuse it, because I just leave it a day, that is my recommendation. Because it's really the cinnamon that stands out for this. Next is 10 ml or 1/3 of an ounce of simple syrup or sugar syrup. And last ingredient is 1 dash of orange bitters. Or 2, why not? So put your head on, now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. So for any classic Manhattan drink, it should always be served in a martini glass. Now strain into your martini glass. So with the Manhattan, it's normally served with cherry, but this time we're going to serve it with an orange peel. And there we go, one at Christmas Manhattan. And there we go, Christmas cocktail number 3, the Christmas Manhattan. How does it taste? Anyone that knows me knows I love a Woodford Reserve. It's one of my favourite bourbons to have, and it just absolutely makes the Manhattan. You cannot beat bourbon. I've got a very sweet tooth, I do admit it, I'm guilty of it, but with bourbon and Woodford Reserve, especially with its very, very peaty flavours with it, because I said with the wood, because it's got the smoky, woody, peaty taste of Woodford Reserve, and it's just absolutely beautiful, and it really, really makes this drink. And that's what you want from the bourbon. You want beautiful tasting notes from it, and it delivers Woodford Reserve. But that is beautiful, especially with the brandy, which I can taste as well, especially with the caramel and the toffee flavours with it. But that is a beautiful cocktail. Can't beat the classics, but that is my fun little take on it, the Christmas Manhattan. So it's just treating the vermouth with Christmas infused vermouth, which is your cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and whatever you can think of, any other spices as well, and just infuse it, leave it a day, and there you go. And that's what makes this drink. But that, guys, it's a Christmas Manhattan. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more Christmas cocktails like this, as I will be continuing on with my Christmas cocktails. So if there's any drinks that you want to see, just let me know in the comments below, as this was recommended to me as well by Amanda. So thank you for the recommendation. It's absolutely beautiful. Cheers.